Hello everyone. Well, let's find an inverse of this quadratic function algebraically. We know that inverse is obtained by making x and y change places. So let's first just make this f of x actually be our y. And then next thing to do would be exactly what I just said, which is make x and y change places. So this y right here will become the x, and then this x right here will become the y. So basically we already have the inverse. All we need to do is solve for this new y right here. So to solve for this y, we need to remove everything else around it and get the y by itself. So it should be pretty obvious that the first thing would be to actually remove that root from there. So to remove this, not the root, to remove the square right there. So to remove the square, we need to use the square root. And then remember, whatever we do to one side, we need to do to the other. Now, what we did here, we'll really remove the square. That was the idea. So now we will just have y minus 5 equal to square root of x. And these parentheses are not even needed anymore, because we don't have to keep these two together to have them under the square, because square is gone anyways. So now y is almost by itself. All we need to do is move this 5 to the other side. So let's do just that. So now we say plus 5 on both sides. So we will get square root of x plus 5, that's actually not under the root, equal to now y being by itself. So this is actually our, inverse. Now again, since we square rooted, this will be plus minus, and that will make this inverse actually not be a function, which is fine. If we want it to be a function, we will just have to restrict the domain of the original function just to one side of the parabola from the vertex on one side or the other, and then this would become a function. Other than that, it's okay to leave it like this. So to find an inverse, what we need to do, make x and y change places as we did right here, and then we change for the new y, and then that's what we got right there. So that's our inverse. I hope you liked the video. If you did, click like, click subscribe, and don't forget to smile.